60 degrees right now. Winds are calm and the humidity 38%. Beautiful night out there this evening. 51. Ventura 52 in Oxnard. So a much better evening tonight than what we've seen last week, which would have been much cooler if you're heading out to Colorado Boulevard and getting behind the purple line. 50 in Pasadena right now. 55. El Monte gets you down south. Laguna 51. Irvine 54. Santa Ana get a little winds. That puts you at around 60. Same for Yorba Linda 62. Little wind action there. And where we have wind calm, you can see Riverside's already dropped off to 40, 53 into Paris. High country, about 19 degrees, 38. Man, it's chilled up in Big Bear. Don't forget to get your, up into Victorville. Have your pets inside. Made it up to 75. It was a spectacular day today. If you're traveling late tonight, early tomorrow, this is what it looks like right now. Not too bad, actually. The only really cold spot up in the Twin Cities, mid-teens up there. That's not unusual for this time of year. Down towards Houston, Bush Intercontinental, 48, 68 at Miami. And you can see all airports are up and running on time. So all looks good for us. We have a little bit of wind action we are going to continue to deal with, and some high surf advisories. Those continue through about Friday and Saturday. All beaches, but all south-facing beaches will pick up probably most of it. As the high pressure builds in, the low is about 400 miles south of us. So the difference between the two, now it's spread enough that we've gotten rid of some of the winds through the area. We had about 40-mile-an-hour winds up in the mountains today, but then the high is going to build in, and that's where we'll find ourselves. Now, a little Wednesday night, Thursday, we'll get another little run of winds coming our way, but look at the temperatures. Absolutely awesome. Should be beautiful, spectacular day tomorrow. Nice and clear as they broadcast the Rose Bowl across the world. Or not the Rose Bowl, the Rose Parade. Should be a spectacular morning for tomorrow. Crisp, clear, warming up quickly to a reasonable temperature if you're going out there. All in all, very nice. And enjoy it, everybody. Don't forget your pets. No cruising and boozing. We'll have another check coming up in a little bit. Back to you guys.